Early set para kay Vince Simzon. Free ball para sa Letra Knights.
Oh, dapat bigyan ng bigyan itong si Vince. Ambrosio, tahimik siya. Ano? Set number 2.
Another free ball para sa Letran.
Aranyo. Back row naman para kay
Yes,
Bem.
it was in. Oy, count and in. Bem Bem on the back line.
Lamang na si Bem Bem, 6 na. For the first time, lumamang si Bem Bem.
Hindi, palitan din yun eh. Pero ang ganda nung backline set na yon. Mula kay Aranyo, nakita niya na nakatayo na yung blockers at ang ganda na ng tapat sa mga frontline spikers niya. Opting it out kay Bem Bem sa likod, puntos.
What a pancake by Aranyo. Bernal, check out.
Wala doon. Check out for Carl. This time, we're tied at 1. Nakita niya na. Out of system play. Check out. Ang only option. Puntos para kay Carl.
Cool lang si Carl.
Oo. Maaga pa daw eh, hindi pa mainit.
Oh, what a set. Oh,
Grabing
no!
habol yun. Para kay Aranyo, going kay Vince Simzon. Again, ito na yung sugal na medyo kanina pa na ginagawa eh. Pero this time, overset. Mula kay Aranyo, hindi na naabot ni Vince.
So that's the second time na out of sync yung dalawa.
Yes, tama.
Meron kanina sa first set, pinabawi agad. But Berdal was there.
Berdal. And there was a check ball para kay AC Ginto. Ang bilis bumawi ng Arellano now with an early 2-point lead. AC Ginto unstoppable right now. Coming up from that second set win.
7 points para kay Berdal. Ito yung pasa. Ito yung set. Combination!
Yes, what a play by Aranyo. Ambrosio and Himzon right in the middle. Batong play. Ang ganda kumagat for sure. Because Himzon is a big threat in the middle. Kaya naman out of sync na. Itong blockers ng Arellano. Ambrosio getting that point.
Back set.
Quick side out. Para sa Arellano, Sinuto. At yung counterparty ni Ambrosio sa Arellano, si Sinuto. Si Sinuto, hindi natin napapansin, nagpapatong-patong na rin yung puntos sa ibinibigay niya para sa Arellano. Kapag kailangan ng side out, andyan si Sinuto, present for Villados.
Arellano taking an early lead here in set number 3. Ito si Bem Bem. Berdal, ready. Here's the drop.
Ball.
Oh!
Ito na Arellano and their body language getting hype. Everyone's smiling, everyone's enjoying. 3-point lead para sa Arellano. An early 3-point lead.
We're seeing everything. Dikit yung unang set. Second set, lumamang na maaga ang Letran. Ngayon naman Arellano ang lumamang na maaga. Oh!
Oh, another miscommunication para sa side ni Aranyo at ni Vince Simzon. That set was too low. Quick timeout para kay Coach Bry at ang Letra Knights.
Hindi na tayo pupuntos pagka ganyan ginagawa natin. Bakit? Bakit nagdadalawang isip sa atake? Ha? Iwala kayo sa sarili nyo kasi naniniwala kami sa inyo inside the court. Sino bang gusto nyo maglaro? Yung nasa labas?
Oy! Oy! Sigawan! Arribo!
Coach Bry pointing out na huwag na kayong mag-alangan. Kapag sinet, atake agad.
And look at the reaction from first-year head coach Brian Vitog, the emotion. Hoping that this will be his day. Aranyo. Bem Bem.
Oh, Bem Bem. Blocked by Sinuto. And Coramen in the middle. Great timing. Bitin ang set. Nasa dos. Bem Bem adjusting. No way out for him. Kill block point para sa Arellano Chiefs.
And now the body language is not looking good for the Knights. They're starting to sense some doubt here. Bem Bem.
Oh, yes. Good adjustment para kay Bem Bem. Ganda ng sugal na set ngayon mula kay Aranyo. Kahit nasa harap niya na si Bermido, ibinato pa niya. Papunta ng open para kay Bembem. Ganda ng adjustment. Pumasok. Puntos para sa Letran. They need a momentum changer. Dahil lahat ng momentum nasa side ng Arellano ngayon.
Wala nang kembot-kembot para kay Bembem. Sabi niya,
ito naman. Miscom naman para sa side ng Arellano. Villados. Walang pumalo nung set niya. I think that was a big quick set dapat para kay Goramen.
That's Brian Vitog. Relax lang daw. His team still up by 3.
Bing Simpson nasa backline na. Sinuto! Yes! With a swag and a smile. Sinuto killing that ball really hard.
Arellano.
8-point lead.
Up by 4. Flo Del Agua will have an update for us sa aming pagbabalik.
What is up, NCAA fans? Ako po, si Glycel Galpo at ngayong araw ay nagbabalik tayo dito sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone para sa huling araw ng ating beach volleyball tournament. Matapos ang halos isang linggong kompetisyon sa sand court ng Subic Bay Freeport Zone sa Zambales, ay opisyal nang nagtapos ang NCAA Season 100 Beach Volleyball Tournament. Sa Men's Division ay naging matagumpay.
Kayo'y patuloy na nakasubaybay sa NCAA Season 100 Men's Volleyball Finals. At mga kapuso, tuwing may huddle ang Letran Knights, si Bembem Bautista ang palagi nagsasabi ng sigaw arriba. Sabi nga niya sa akin, siya daw ang on-switch ng koponan. Kaya naman kanina payo sa kanya ng mga coaches, Bembem, taasan mo ang iyong kumpiyansa. Mapa-service, pasa o palo man yan, he needs to be giving that energy. And that's a big responsibility on his shoulders as the squad of Letran believes that when Bembem moves, everybody follows. Your thoughts, gentlemen?
Flo, thank you for that. Pero tama si Flo. Kailangan ng on-switch ngayon ng Letran dahil lahat ng momentum ay nasa side ng Arellano at AC Ginto warned again by our referees na bawas-bawasan ng konti. Ito na nga ang ating first card for this match. Is it gonna be out? Let's see. Let's see kung ibibigay natin yung first referee.
Number 17, Beto for number 12.
A substitution now. Bembem's out. And yes, that is officially our first yellow card for this match. AC Ginto, too hyped up. Nadadala ng emosyon.
Ngayon, going back to Flo's report, paano bubuksan yung switch kung wala yung switch sa loob?
Tama, inilabas si Bembem Bautista ngayon. Abeto coming in for him.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Ayan na.
5-point lead para sa Arellano.
Ganadong-ganado. Yung 6 feet Chief Squad crowd.
And that was outside. Para sa kakapasok lang na si Abeto. But there's gonna be a challenge para kay Coach Bright para sa Letran Knights. Tignan natin.
Video challenge request by Letran. Ball in, ball out.
Kung ikaw si Bembem, sa tingin mo, anong mararamdaman mo na isinab ka on ang championship match?
Well, based sa personality ni Bembem, syempre, ano yan, kumbaga, ma-hurt ng konti, at the same time, mamomotivate.
Kempot na lang, no? Pagpasok.
Oo.
Bawi.
Siyempre, alam niya na siya talaga yung bubuhay dito sa Letran team. And kailangan siya sa loob ng court.
Yeah.
And tama naman na he is really the switch. Pag ganado si Bembem, ganado yung Letran.
Tama, tama. Very evident yon for their past games na kapag on fire nga si Bembem Bautista, I think parang fluid dati ang buong Letran squad. Pero medyo on and off si Bembem for this match.
Pag wala si Bembem, parang kulang sa init
Kulang ang Letran. No?
Walang apoy.
Tama. And look at the body language of the Letran squad. No? Medyo off Nawala kasi momentum sa kanila And the challenge is, I think, is that successful? Yes, it was in. And that point goes to Abeto and for the Letran Knights. First point of Abeto for this match.
So, walang Himzon, walang Bautista on the floor right now.
Vince Himzon, nasa labas pa dahil backline pa siya. Na Beto coming in for Bembem Bautista.
Easy pass by Berdal. AC, easy point.
Grabe yun. Oo. Naku po, AC Ginto. Ang taas naman ng AC. Inibabawan niya eh, oh. Ang ganda rin ng singit. Deep cross court. First line attack para kay AC Ginto. Showing kung saan pumatak. Grabe ito si AC maglaro. Sumagaysay coming in Vicente for the Letran Knights.
Boy. Oh!
Yes!
What a play!
Sumagaysay and Lardizabal connecting in the middle. That was a fast tip para kay Lardizabal. Ganda yung receive. Galing sa jump serve ni AC Ginto.
Highlight play for the rookie setter.
Yeah. What a play. Letran still trailing by 4. Oh! Wait. Wow, a magic bunot. A Beto contributing sa atake at pagdating sa service. Services para kay Beto.
Yung mga rookies gumagawa.
Oo nga eh. Miscommunication naman para sa side ng Arellano. Now down by 3.
Beto.
Oh, that was outside this time.
Masakit. Those errors very costly. Fernie Kuramen. 6 points today. Sumagaysay. Ambrosio. Oh!
Oh. Let's see kung anong adjustment gagawin ng Ambrosio. Pinalo pa rin. Wow!
Oh!
Quick set in the middle. Veliados and Pangilinan connecting once again. The blockers were there but that was too late dahil ang bilis pinalo ni Pangilinan. Yung quick set na yon mula kay Veliados. Puntos para sa Arellano.
Arellano riding a huge wave of momentum right now.
And confidence as well kasi yung starters ng Letran nasa labas.
And right now, Letran just looks lost.
Yeah. The body language isn't there para sa side ng Letran. They look so down at this set.
You have Aranyo, Himzon, and Bautista all on the bench.
Bermido as well.
Oo, 4 na
Mga starters eh.
Berdal. Check out.
Check out para kay Carl Berdal. At nakita ko, ayan, may tinatantos ka dyan eh. All 6. Berdal with that check out. Successful over Vicente. Puntos again para kay Carl. Ooh, with a look back.
The immaculate twirl by Carl Justin Berdal.
Immaculate twirl. Parang Sunday lang eh, no? Sarap i-order naman. What a serve.
Berdal na naman.
Oh, not this time. Carl is blocked. Lardizabal El Aranyo connecting at the net. Blocking Carl Berdal on that open area. Gandang timing ni Lardizabal. Ang taas din. Roofed. Big shout.
Ayan na si Vince. Nagbabalik na sa ating laro.
Oh, isa-isa na binabalik yung starters ng Letran. Bermido is back in alongside Aranyo.
Bembem na lang ang kulang. Berdal.
Oh! 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 Berdal! Nagising! Taunting Aranyo! Sabi niyan, niliprid ko lang naman eh. O ano? Ano? Dinab ko lang. Grabe, Carl Berdal.
That's gonna be a meme right there. That's gonna be a legendary NCAA Men's Volleyball Finals meme.
What a taunt by Carl Berdal targeting that down the lane area. Inibabawan ulit si Aranyo.
Carl Berdal immortalizing himself
what a
here in
dig
these
by
finals.
Villados. And that was outside para kay Sinuto. 15-9. Letran Knights trailing by 6. Grabe yung Carl Berdal. Mapapanaginipan ko rin yun, Anton. Nadagdag na.
Arellano with a 6-point lead. Binalik kay Carl.
Oh, another down the line attack and another shout para kay Carl Berdal.
What happened to the nonchalant Carl?
Wala, nabura na, Anton. Unstoppable si Carl ngayong set. Basta na kapag tinatarget yung down the line area.
Beast mode Berdal. 7-6 on the Kembot counter.
Oh no. Bam Bam.
What is up mga ka-NCAA? My name is Christine San Agustin and today we are at the SBMA Sand Court here in Subic, Zambales to witness the opening day of the NCAA Season 100 Beach Volleyball Tournament. Kaya tara, samahan niyo po ako.
Binuksan ang torneo sa parada ng mga atleta na sinabayan ng pag-awit ng The Clash Season 6 Grand Champion na si Naya Ambi.
And the Arellano Chief Squad overruling everything para sa side ng ating Game 2 Championship match at Carl Berdal unstoppable right now. Back-to-back points for him on that open area and especially yung down the line. Sobrang ma-maximize niya. Masalo kapag frontline si Aranio at alam niya kung saan niya dadalhin yung kanyang mga palo. And Bembem Bautista going back in para sa side ng Letran Knights. Tingnan natin kung nakapag-refresh na itong si Bembem Bautista. Mahaba-haba ang habulin ng Letran Knights. 16-9. Vince Simzon back in. Nasatan agad ni Aranio. And Sinuto. Nahirapan na mag-adjust. Out of play system going off speed but that was not over. Puntos para sa side ng Letran. Now trailing by 6. 16-10. Ambrosio on the service line. They need a good run if they want to get in touch sa kalamangan ng Arellano. And yun lang, kapag may mahaganong spiker to the Sinuto, mahihirapan ang inyong paghabol. Very confident right now si Sinuto. Dahan-dahan lang pero pumapatong ang ibinibigay na contribution para sa Arellano.
Biggest lead of the match at 7 for either team at any point here in Game 2. Bembem on the drop. Bautista, cross court.
And that was outside. Para kay Bembem, there was no check ball. Medyo nawawala yung touch ni Bembem Bautista sa mga set na ibinibigay sa kanya.
Parang ready na mag-celebrate. Yung Arellano, the vibe is just very festive right now.
8-point lead para sa Arellano.
Aranio to Himzon.
Oh, nothing's working para sa side ng Letran. Back-to-back attack errors sa mismong main gunners ng Letran, namely Vince Himzon and Bembem Bautista. Now down by 9.
Serving 10.
Aranio.
And that was in para kay Bermido, ending that run of the Arellano Chips. Inching closer. Good long spike para kay Bermido. Right in the corner. Ooh! Ramen! Alam mo, favorite food ko yung ramen eh. Bagay sa tag-ulan. Anton.
Pag walang blocker, Anjo, kakainin yan ni Fernie Kuramen.
Hinihigop eh. Kuramen in the middle. Single block coverage. Too easy.
Aranyo to Bautista.
Oh, eto na. And that was outside. Again for Bem Bautista. 3 attack errors for the Letra Knights.
You know, when I was watching the live stream, I saw some comments in Game 1. May mga Bem haters na nagko-comment ng nasa ng Bem nyo. Well, if you're Letran, you're also asking that now. They need Bem badly.
Yes, that's so true. Sabi nga sa report kanina ni Flo, no, siya ang on-switch ng Letra Knights. Kaya naman, sobrang kailangan na mag-init si Bem basta ano kapag gusto po na extend itong match, itong larong to into a Game 3.
And they're all trying to give Bem confidence here. Kailangan na kailangan siya dito. Oh!
Wait, what's the call of our referee? First referee says it was in, and there's gonna be a challenge naman para sa side ng Letra Knights. Net touch, violation challenge. Overruled. The point goes to Letran.
AU crowd getting louder and louder. This is just easy opportunities for Arellano, but AC could not capitalize there.
Yeah, kaya naman si Coach Bry Vitog ito, calls a timeout, pang patay sunog lang.
Hey! Malayo pa yan. Huwag tayo magtapon ng palo. Eh, yung block mo si Wayne, hindi mo kailangan nililis ng todo yan and target mo to. Okay, pasa lang tayo, deep receive. Running. Pero pakita ka muna dito ha. Out naman lang doon. Okay. Huwag diretso dito. Yeah, okay. Wait.
Coach Bry instructing AC dito, huwag mo masyadong ililihis dahil kaya mo naman yung blockers mo. At tingnan natin kung anong gagawing atake ng Arellano coming from that timeout. Galing kay Coach Bry Vitog, 21-14. Lamang ng 7 ang Arellano.
Ito yung pasa. Ito yung set ni Adi. Running attack picked up by Bermido. Aranyo, back row, Ambrosio. Popped up by Villados. Ito na si AC. Ball is back in the air.
Oh! Quick drop by Kuramen once again. Very effective break ball, fast transition plays. Villados always looking for his quickers. This time, napunta na naman kay Kuramen. Quick drop ball. Puntos para sa Arellano. Inching closer to get this set.
Villados, a grandmaster, putting on a masterclass in setting today here in Game 2. Pumalo si Aranyo.
Okay.
Berdal. Aranyo.
Bem.
Bautista.
Oh, what a dig!
What a pickup right there.
Oh, Carl Berdal! Anton! Great adjustment. Ang tapang, pinalo niya yung break ball at solid pa rin yung spike na output galing kay Carl Berdal. That was a hard spike. Pumawewang pa.
Beast mode. Berdal, 11 points.
May pamewang pa.
8. Walo na.
8-6 ang ating Kembot counter.
Arellano 2 points away from being 1 set away, possibly. Lardizabal,
yes,
running attack.
Still at it, Anton. Lumalaban pa.
Kanina pa ako nag-aakot sa inyo. Bibigyan ako ng yellow card sa'yo and sa'yo. Ha? Okay? Kasunod na ulitin yan. Ano tayo ha? Red card.
Another warning. Mula sa ating first referee, may mabibigyan ba ulit ng yellow card? Yes! Meron, Anton. Kailangan may yellow card counter din pala tayo, no?
So kung kanina si AC,
ngayon, Lardizabal na bigyan. At Carl Berdal.
Dalawa
one
sila.
apiece, yes.
Wow. Parang tuwing nagko-cover tayo, may yellow card. Naalala ko, 2 seasons ago, nakarami rin tayong yellow card.
I know, bro. I know.
Running attack. Cross court.
Yes, that was in. Para kay Kuramen, successful running spike once again mula kay Villados. Ganda ng set ni Villados. Single block coverage. Madali na. Para kay Kuramen. Arellano. Set point.
Aranyo. Oh,
wait. Yes. Yes. Carberdal. Let me hear it. Says Carberdal with the kill block point over Lourdizabal. Getting that set for the Arellano Chiefs now leading 2-1.
Who else but Carl Justin Berdal? And could the Chiefs be one set away from a first NCAA Men's Volleyball Championship? Berdal wants to hear it from the AU crowd. Magbabalik po tayo para sa set